Armchair. A comfortable chair with armrests. Example, I love reading in the armchair by the fireplace. Rocking chair. A chair that rocks back and forth. Example, Grandma sits in her rocking chair on the porch. Dining chair. A chair designed for use with a dining table. Example, each dining chair matches the wooden table. Folding chair. A chair that can be folded for easy storage. Example, we use folding chairs for outdoor events. Office chair. A swivel chair designed for desk work. Example, the office chair has wheels and adjustable height. Recliner chair. A chair that reclines backward for relaxation. Example, Dad loves watching TV in the recliner chair. Lounge chair. A long, comfortable chair for relaxing. Example, the lounge chair by the pool is perfect for sunbathing. Bar stool. A tall chair used at a bar or high table. Example, we sat on bar stools at the kitchen counter. Accent chair. A decorative chair, often used to add color or style to a room. Example, the accent chair in the corner has a bright floral pattern. Beanbag chair. A soft, sack-like chair filled with foam or beans. Example, the kids love sitting in the beanbag chair to play games. Stool. A backless chair, often used in kitchens or workshops. Example, I used a stool to reach the top shelf. Wingback chair. A high-backed chair with wings on the sides. Example, the wingback chair adds a vintage touch to the library. High chair. A chair designed for babies and toddlers, with a tray for feeding. Example, the baby sat in a high chair during breakfast. Wheelchair. A chair with wheels for people with mobility issues. Example, the hospital provided a wheelchair for the patient. Deck chair. A collapsible chair used outdoors, often on beaches or patios. Example, we relaxed on deck chairs by the sea. pew, or bench. A long seating arrangement, often used in churches or public places. Example, the church pews were filled with visitors. Director's chair. A lightweight folding chair with a canvas seat and back. Example, the director's chair is common on movie sets. Ottoman chair. A low, cushioned seat without a back or arms, often used as a footrest. Example, I rested my feet on the ottoman chair. Camp chair. A lightweight folding chair for camping. Example, the camp chair is easy to pack for our hiking trip. Massage chair. A chair with built-in massaging features. Example, the massage chair helps relieve my back pain. Slipper chair. A low, armless chair often used in bedrooms. Example, the slipper chair fits perfectly in the corner of the room. Chaise lounge. A long chair for reclining, often used indoors or outdoors. Example, I read a book while lying on the chaise lounge. Sofa. Meaning, a long seat for two or more people, usually soft and comfortable. I love sitting on the sofa to watch TV. Egg chair. Meaning, a chair shaped like an egg, often cozy and used for relaxing. It can hang or stand on a base. The egg chair is perfect for reading a book.